Next topic. We were looking at the transformations of quadratic equations in the previous session, and now we will move on to the condition for common roots when we compare multiple quadratic equations. All right. Okay. Condition for common roots. So let us consider two different quadratic equations like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and another one, that is a dash into x squared plus b dash into x plus c dash equals to 0. So here the condition is that a and a dash are not equal to 0, and the a into b dash minus b into a dash, b into a dash, right, this should not be equal to 0. Okay, so we'll understand this second condition now. A b dash minus b a dash equal to 0 means a b dash equal to b a dash. Correct? A by a dash has the same ratio as b by b dash, right? This is not going to happen. So this is not equal. So this is the condition. So ultimately we are making sure that when we consider two such equations, a by a dash and b by b dash, that ratio should not be same. It has to be different, right? You consider any two equations, any two quadratic equations of this type. This is what is our first target. Okay, we consider this. Now, let us say that we want to have one of the root of these two equations is common, right? So the first condition we are going to look now is the one root is common. If you want to have one root common, then the condition is that the determinant of a, b, a dash, b dash multiplied by b, c, b dash, c dash should be equal to, this is c, a, c dash, a dash, it's a square. So this is the condition that both the equations, the coefficients in the equations must satisfy in order to have one of the root that is common between the two considered quadratic equations. Okay, so this is one condition, and now let us move on to the second one. The second condition that we are going to look now is for both the roots are common. In the sense, I have equation 1 and equation 2, both when we solve we get the same roots, right? So the second condition is for both roots are common. So when you want to have both the roots as common, it is a very simple condition. The a by a dash equal to b by b dash equal to c by c dash. So if this condition is satisfied, then both roots become equal. So that's why previously we told it cannot be same, because I wanted one of the root as common. That's why we made a statement that a by a dash not equal to b by b dash. But now, if at all they become equal, then this is what is going to happen, right? You will find that the both roots becoming same. All right, so this is the concept we wanted. Now we'll solve some of the questions based on this particular concept. All right, so first question is find the value of lambda so that the equations x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0 and the lambda, this is lambda into x square plus 10 times x plus 3 equal to 0 have a common root. Okay, the question is to find the value of lambda such that they have the common root. Right. Now, let us try to write the first equation. First equation says it is x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Right? So this means I can actually factor, because this is a given equation, I can directly find the roots, right? Out of which one of the root has to be common. That's all. So let us try to make sure that okay, let's factorize this. All right, so this is x, the difference is -1, so 4 and -3 should be the case. So x minus 4 into x plus 3 equals to 0. So the roots are x is equal to 4 comma -3. Okay, now you see, if you have to have one of the root as common, right, I have to have the condition is that, right, I can calculate the coefficient, right, of whatever is a, right. So a I am supposed to calculate by using you put this into the second equation. So we have two options here. So if say 4 is the common root, then you see that 4 has to be satisfied by the above equation, right? The second equation, correct? So that means if 4 is the common root, this implies lambda into 4 square plus 10 into 4x plus 3 should be equal to 0. So solve for lambda, right? So this means lambda is equal to 10 into 4, 40 plus 3, going to other side is minus 43 divided by 4 square, so 16. This is the lambda such a way that common root is equal to 4. But you can have even the other root as common. So you have to solve twice. So if other root is -3, okay, -3 is the common root, then check what I'm supposed to do. Put x equal to 4. So x equal to -3. So -3 square plus 10 into -3 plus 3 equals to 0. So in this case, lambda is equal to 10 into -3, minus 30 plus 3 is minus 27. Going to other side is plus 27 divided by -3 square is 9. So lambda is equal to 3. So the answers we get right? As options is 3 and minus 43 by 16, right? Both we are getting over here. The next question is solve the root of x is equal to x minus 2. All right. So what we can do now is we can square both sides. So root of x whole square is simply x is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. All right. So this basically means x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4, or otherwise I can say x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. All right, so I can actually write them in the following way. The product of roots should be plus 4 and sum should be minus 5. Okay, so that means x minus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So roots are x is equal to 1 comma 4, right? I just have to check whether it satisfies or not. So when I put 1 over there, root of 1 is equal to 1, but right side is root of, it's 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So it may not be the proper answer. So put 4 over there. So root 4 is 2. Right hand side is 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So actually in this case, you will neglect 1 and you select only 4. Only one right answer in this case, though you have two roots to the equation. Next question. Solve 3 times root of x plus 3 minus root of x minus 2 is equal to 7. We move the negative quantity to the other side. So 3 times root of x plus 3 equals to 7 plus root of x minus 2. All right. So let us square both these sides. Right. So squaring, I'm going to get 3 times root of x plus 3 whole square is equal to, this is 7 plus root of x minus 2 whole square. So this 3 square is 9 and root of x plus 3 becomes simply x plus 3. So 9 into x plus 9 into 3 is 27 equals to, so this is a plus b whole square, right? So a square is 49, that is 7 square. Then b square is plus, it is x minus 2. Then we have plus 2 into a, so 2 into 7 is 14, into b, that is root of 14, sorry, not 14, x minus 2. Sorry. Okay, this is root of x minus 2. So let us try to simplify. So 9x and 1x on the other side, so this becomes 8x. Okay, then we have 27 minus 49, then plus 2. So plus 20, not plus 20, minus 20. So this is negative because 49 plus 2, right, 51. All right. So this is minus 20 should be equal to, on the right hand side I am left with 14 into root of x minus 2. So I can take out 2 common. So when you take 2 common from everything, you are left with 4x minus 10 equal to 7 into root of x minus 2. So I still have the square root present in the equation. So obviously I have to square once again. So when you square, this becomes 4x minus 10 the whole square equal to, this is 7 times root of x minus 2 square. Okay, so that means this is a minus b whole square, a square, so 16x square plus b square, that is 100, minus 4 into 10 into 2, so that is 80x should be equal to, on the right hand side, I'm simply squaring 7, so 49 into x is 49x, and 49 into minus 2 is minus 98. So bringing everything to the left side, this is the equation that I'm going to get, right? So that is 16x square, 100 and 80, 100, sorry, minus 80 plus 49, it's minus 49, so minus 129x, so, and 100 and plus 98 plus 198 equals to 0. So we'll solve for x, the roots of this equation. Let's find out. So the calculator says the roots are 6 and 33 by 16. Okay, let's check the, because when you have square root of or cube root of something like that in the equation, right, both the roots may not satisfy the equation. So let's check. So 1 is 6, so 3 into root of 6 plus 3, that is 9. 3 into 3 is 9 equal to 7 plus 6 minus 2, that is 4. So yeah, so only 6 will satisfy here. Okay, so neglect this, only x equal to 6 is the required answer. One more of this type. Now see, this is cube root of, all right, this is cube root of 2x minus 1 plus cube root of x minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, since it is a cube root, you may have to cube in order to get a proper term. Okay, so when x equal to 1, right, it is cube root of 2 into 1 minus 1 plus cube root of, this is 1 minus 1, right? So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, cube root of 1 is 1, right? Plus cube root of 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, that is already on the right hand side. So 1 is the root, right? So x equal to 1 is a root. The other root is not valid because when you put the other value, it is not going to satisfy. Next question. Solve. This is 5 raised to the power x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, this is the question. 5 raised to the power x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 1. Right. It looks very complicated, but actually this is very simple. The 1 on the right side, I can equate it to 5 to the power 0. Right? 5 to the power 0 is 1. So both sides I have the same 5, right, present, which I can neglect. Actually, that means I am trying to solve the simple equation x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Normal quadratic equation. And another question for you to solve. This is 5 to the power 2x minus 24 into 5 to the power x minus 25 equals to 0. So first approach, you have to substitute for the 5 to the x, right? 5 to the x is equal to put phi to the x equal to, maybe you can put t, right? So this is t square minus 24 into t minus 25 equal to 0. So when I split, I get t, the sum should be 24, product should be 25, means it is t minus 25 and t minus 1, right? T plus 1, so equal to t plus 1. So the t can be either 25 or minus 1. Minus 1. So out of which minus 1 I have to rule out, right? This is not possible. T equal to 25, but let's equate. So the t is actually the phi to the power x. This is what we got as 25, but 25 is phi to the power 2, right? Compare that, which means x is equal to what now? X is equal to 2. 15 into 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 15 into 2 to the power 2 minus x equals to 135. So we get the answer. X is equal to 2 comma minus 1. I think both will satisfy. Okay, put the 2 over there as well as minus 1. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ satisfy ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So that is your answer.